After 2 weeks of being away from my van and having constant interaction with family and friends, I must admit that even if I love my family and friends, it's been great to have some solitude a little bit. It's nice to come back to a van that it's warm. Yeah, kitty. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, gonna make something to eat now. Take the camera focus on you, not on me. I'm making an oatmeal this morning with banana, and I do have an orange. I might eat a little orange on the side. I'm trying to eat a lot of fruit, vegetable. I didn't eat that much when I was in Quebec at my parents' house. They just don't eat as much as I do. This is ready. And I kind of felt like super tired and the last couple of days I was there, and yesterday too as well. So just gonna fill up on vitamin, and I also forgot to bring my vitamin pills. So obviously doesn't help. So banana this morning with a little bit of oatmeal. So I really feel to go in the backcountry. It's been obviously 2 weeks since I was in my parents' house, and just to relax, just kind of feel to yeah, be in nature a little bit. So it's a little bit chilly today, but we're gonna make a fire and enjoy the backcountry a little bit. You look very happy to go to backcountry, kitty. Yeah. Enjoy the view. So I thought I could go here maybe at this free recreational site. You can see how many camper and people was there. I forgot that it's long weekend. It's probably, I think all the campsites are full, or maybe one or two are empty here, but I'm gonna try to find something a little bit more quiet. I don't know if I'm gonna find anything, but Look at my final little spot. Just a single spot here. I'm gonna have to level the van, obviously. Oh, it's super cute. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go explore the ocean, kitty. Let's go. Yeah, you got it. Someone put a little roses for us. We have a little beach and I don't know what it is. A little deck. This wood is pretty cool with all the little insects to eat it. I'm not sure we're gonna have a fire. It's definitely more windy. It's getting worse and worse in the wind. On this side I'm fine. Kind of shell from that edge, but yeah, we saw some wildlife. Yay! I really miss my big camera doing some wildlife photography. I didn't bring it in Quebec because, well, it's kind of hard to travel with this first. It's a little bit more challenging. I bring it once or twice in Quebec, but you have to bring that in your own luggage inside with you in the plane, which kind of like challenging if I want to bring this camera, which is my big vlogging camera, this one, plus my laptop, plus, you know, a little snacky here and there. Kind of make it big, a big bag to carry around. So I decide I'm not gonna bring it, and doing little wildlife video and photography, it takes a lot of time. You might think that I see wildlife like just pointing my camera and I see wildlife. Yes and no. Obviously I live in an area that has got a good amount of wildlife, but I still have to go out every morning or evening and make a little video clip and filming and taking picture, which sometimes it can be 2 or 3 hours of doing photography and or walking in the wood and not even see anything or barely see anything or anything special. But yeah, no matter, it's always great to get out and walk and enjoy beautiful nature. And today I was pretty lucky, I think. But definitely more windy than I was expecting. It's all good. Feels so good. One thing that I didn't show you guys is before I left Quebec, I printed some of my picture, and this was the first time I've done that. I print because a lot of you has been asking me to do some what do you call it, like wish card or postcard, and I print some of my picture, guys. Is it upside down? Yeah, it is. So yeah, I print some of my old picture because I've never done that, and I was curious to see what they look like. A little river otter, we love them. This one, you know that one, but that's the, if you want full size. Another river otter, really like that one. This one is another one of my favorite, and just a landscape one. So yeah, I print a couple to see the color, to see what it look like, and I need to go find like a place where they're gonna print it at a good price and figure out all the logistic of like the amount and all this. But it should come pretty soon, guys. Pretty exciting. I might offer to some kind of like bigger print, but that's gonna be a little bit later. Give me a little bit of time so I can, you know, manage everything. But pretty exciting. And it's funny because I've been doing wildlife photography and photography for a long time, and I never print my stuff because my pleasure is to go outside and enjoy nature. Photography is just like almost like an excuse if you want to go and like to see especially wildlife. That's what I love, because I've always been super passionate about like animal behavior and wildlife and things like this. When I was at school, when they were asking for you know, presentation in front of people, they were always like asking people to choose a subject, and me, that was always animal. And because my mom knew that I didn't like that, she was always printing a bigger picture of the animal that I was doing research, just to kind of encourage me. And I still have postcard and things that now my nephew has been like digging into my room and enjoying Quebec. But yeah, so that's gonna come, give me a month or 2 or 3, I don't know how long. Try to figure out a good company that I can trust, that will do good print and reliable and print a certain amount, which I also need to figure out. But I also might print this one, I'm not sure. This one is not my favorite print, even though I put in my van. It's more like something, you know, around the channel and all this. But yeah, those are some of my favorite, that's for sure. Alright, now what are we gonna eat? I'm hungry. I have a bunch of vegetable. Yeah. So I end up putting a sweet and sour if you want sauce. And yeah, just a bunch of vegetable, some cashew. Oh,
Great photograph of that beautiful bird. This is a bird which are not too common.
What a beautiful day today. Start to be really sunny now. It's cloudy, it was windy, but overall it's beautiful today. Exactly what I needed, to be honest. So I think for the rest of the day, which I think it's almost 3 o'clock right now, gotta spend a little bit more time outside. I'm gonna go back in the van with Kitty and watch maybe a movie or read something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. If you don't know, I try to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you're not subscribed yet and you made it all the way to the end of this video, it's free to join and they really help me and really appreciate. So thank you so much for all the people who subscribe. I deeply appreciate, and obviously, like usual, I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Alright guys, see you in the next one.